Most of the crypto community as it stands has lived through the multi-year bear market we just experienced, and many have gotten post-traumatic stress disorder from the constant bearishness. Now there are clear signs that a bull market is coming, so listen up. Get out of bear mode. It's time to get bullish. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about why you better be getting bullish on the crypto market right now. Before we get started guys, make sure you smash up that like button. Check this out. I'm looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. We're currently trading around 11,680 US dollars. Bitcoin has only seen a total of 6 weekly candle closes above 11,700 in its entire history. And this all took place at the peak near 20,000. If this weekly candle can close above 11,700, that would be the 7th Bitcoin weekly candle close above 11,700 in Bitcoin history. If that's not bullish, I don't know what is. Bitcoin has broken above the multi-year resistance, and we're creating unique market structure above the multi-year downtrend. So we are getting a bullish break into the next major uptrend. It is extremely likely that Bitcoin is about to enter a bull cycle. And right now, Bitcoin is only 70% away from the all-time high. And as we know in the crypto market, seeing a 70% gain over the course of a few months is really not that big of a deal. Bitcoin could be reaching prices like 20,000 in the beginning of 2021. And I'm extremely confident in the future of Bitcoin. I really do think that we are on the precipice right now of seeing the next major bull market. And there's something that I've been saying repeatedly for the past several months, and that is that this market can get much more bullish than you ever thought possible. In order to be a successful investor, a successful trader, you have to be able to identify when the trend is changing, and you have to know that things can get bullish again. You have to understand this, and very likely Bitcoin is about to get very bullish once again. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about how things can get more bullish than you ever thought possible. Right now, I'm looking at Ethereum on the 3-day chart going from 2016 into 2017. It was stuck in an accumulation range, bouncing in between $21 and just below $6. Eventually, we came back up to the $21 level and broke out into a new all-time high. Within 1 year, in less than a year, Ethereum went from $21 to $1,400 in less than a year. $21 to $1,400. Now let's take a look at the Chainlink chart. As you guys know, Chainlink is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, one of my favorite altcoins. Interesting, we have a very similar setup. We're bouncing around from $5 to $1.50, and we just broke the all-time high. So if you take a look at Ethereum and you consider that it saw a 6,500% gain in less than a year, and now considering coins like Chainlink, just seeing their breakout, if Chainlink was going to do anything similar to Ethereum, we would be in the hundreds in the next year. Does that sound insane? But if I had told you in 2017 that Ethereum was going to go from 21 to 1,400 in less than a year, you would have told me that I'm insane. And what I'm telling you guys is that this market is about to get much more bullish than you ever thought possible. A lot of you guys are probably thinking that this is unrealistic, and that, a lot of people think that, well, we're not all just going to make that much money. That's not even possible. We can't all just become rich. A lot of you guys are going to fall victim to bad leverage trades. A lot of you guys aren't going to be able to hodl through the 70% corrections we see. Taking a look at Ethereum, looking at 2017 when it's at $21, it runs up to 420, and then it sees a 68% correction to the downside, 69% to the downside. Are you able to hold through a 70% correction on the way up? Can you do that? If you can, then you might make as much money as I'm talking about right now. And for coins like Chainlink, I think they're just getting started. Looking at this chart, we just had a nice base of support, and we're getting our first initial breakout into the next major uptrend, which will take place over the next year or two. And Chainlink could be seeing prices like $100, $200, all the way up to as high as $400. Again, Ethereum went from 21 to 1400. And what I'm saying is Chainlink could see prices as high as $400. And we can discuss why in a future video. But now let's go back to Bitcoin. I just want to show you guys that Bitcoin has followed the stock to flow model very closely since its inception. And if Bitcoin is going to be going along with the stock to flow model moving into the future, which right now it seems like we're right on track, we could be seeing prices like $100,000 in the next bull cycle. And it could happen pretty fast. So I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. I just wanted to put you guys into bull mode. I need you guys to get out of bear mode and into bull mode so that you can ride this trend for the next year. It's going to get pretty epic, guys. There's going to be massive opportunity in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and many others. And if you join my Patreon, you can see what other altcoins I'm accumulating. And also, before you go, make sure that you sign up for the Cryptowatch platform, which is the platform that I use in every single video. You can chart and trade off of all the top exchanges, all from one place. Click that tutorial and sign up now. It is totally free.